A small update from me. I have had quite a lot going on recently, and I finished the Silver Fronds project, which was a really nice accomplishment. But following that, I've really been struggling to get started with the next project, and although I have an idea of what I want to do and have purchased the items to do it with, I seem to be having a bit of trouble getting started, and I think it's simply because I have a lot going on elsewhere and I don't fully have the brain space, I think, to do it justice just yet. So I have some leave coming up in which I hope to take proper advantage of that new project idea and really get it going. But for now, I'm really trying not to rush it and just do some things for the sheer enjoyment of it. Unfortunately, that frustration has been kind of coming out in my practices a little bit, and so I decided to step away from sewing for a little while, or just for a weekend or so, and to try and pick up my calligraphy a little bit. I am hugely rusty and by no means an expert at this, so please don't take any of this as tutorial material. It's simply me documenting my practice. And because I have been so rusty, I did start off with some exercises, just getting familiar with the nibs again and trying out. I do have a fairly new to me handle for my pen, so this off-center nib is slightly better for not getting my hands quite so messy. But as I say, I just wanted to start off with trying to remember, the ink control and changing of the pressure before I started working on some words. And I think the question is with calligraphy, it's always what to write. But with this, I really am going back to my basics of just doing something for the sheer enjoyment of doing it. And so what you write doesn't really matter. So you'll generally see that I, for the most part, just wrote what I was thinking or how I was feeling at any particular time. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching a bit of my practice, even if I am very slow and not very good, but that's not really the point of this. It was nice to do, and it's always nice to see, I think.